So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Dogecoin, ticker symbol DOGE, on Coinbase. So once you have Coinbase open up on your device, simply go to the bottom bar here and press on trade right in the middle. So right in between my assets and earn percentage, go ahead and press on trade. Once you're on the trade screen, just simply go to the top area right here and press on search for an asset. Once that is done and you want to buy Dogecoin, simply just search up DOGE, which of course is the ticker symbol for Dogecoin. As you can tell, it's at the top right here. I'm going to go ahead and press on Dogecoin. So once you're here and you want to buy Dogecoin, go down to the bottom to where it says trade and press on trade. Then once you're on this screen, go ahead and press on buy Doge with cash. Now in this screen, you can go ahead and put out however much money you want into buying Dogecoin. So just because I'm in Canada, I think I have to have a minimum bet here, or a minimum investment amount of $2. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on review order. Once that is done, it's going to take a couple seconds just to identify what the purchase you want to make, and also to get the latest price for you in regards to Dogecoin. Once that is done on this screen, simply just go ahead and press on place order at the bottom, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Dogecoin, ticker symbol DOGE, on Coinbase. I hope this video helped.